Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you hide mutual friend list and friend list. So first of all, open your Facebook apps, look at the right side, tap onto three line. After that, click on setting icon, scroll down, tap on this, and now select the second option, who can see your friend list. Select public to only me. Okay, now I am checking. So open Facebook Lite and log into another account. Go to search option. Look at this account not showing to friend list, friend option or mutual friend. So that's how we can easily hide mutual friend list and friend list.